All right, good morning, everybody. Let me play you the sound of my people. Oh, that's glorious. Love the way this car sounds. I haven't even driven this car all week. Oh. Boy, has it been a long week, actually. So first of all, I actually just want to go ahead and apologize to you all that I haven't uploaded at all this past week. I didn't really want to make videos for the sake of videos. I actually wanted to stop and make good quality content. So, with that being said, I am heading out to the S550 Mega Meet. It's apparently the third annual Mega Meet. Of course, this time last year, I didn't even have this car, so this is actually exciting. This is the first time I've gone to a Mustang-specific meet in over a decade. And of course, definitely the first one with this car. So I'm excited. I'm about to head out and go to the meetup point, which is about an hour away from me. And then we're all gonna caravan another hour back, which that's actually the sad part is that I'm going an hour away just to come back to an event that's actually much closer to me. So things I do for content. But I'm excited because that means the caravan is gonna provide some content. So I'm excited for that. Plus, you know, getting out, meeting more people. I, of course, have my business cards with me, so I'm excited for that. That's exciting because I'm gonna, you know, network while I'm out here and then get to see all these vendors and everything. So I'm very excited for that. So I'm gonna see you all when I get up to Parker Performance up in Newport Richey. Well, looks like I made it here. Just gonna pull in a little bit and go see what's up. Not too bad of a drive, just a little bit annoying. I'm always the slowest people on the road, so that's always a pain in the ass. Oh well, I'm gonna get out, talk to everybody here. How's it going?
Feels pretty good.
I was gonna say, I hope y'all don't mind getting on video.
Hey, I've been on YouTube a few times already.
Been on YouTube, good or bad?
Good.
Good, alright. Okay, which car's yours here?
The red one over there.
Okay.
GT.
And then you got
GT clone.
GT clone. Yeah, look, you got the Shelby fenders. We got. I love these wheels. That's actually awesome.
Yeah, it don't see too many like thrust style.
No, that's true.
I had on the.
Oh, speaking of the devil here.
Holy crap! That's
I've never seen like that particular hood in person before. That thing's massive.
Everyone who sees it, they're like, "How does he see out of
It's
it?"
like 6-inch raise, I think.
I think so.
Especially since the carbon fiber that just adds a whole new level.
No, it does. This is like we got the before, and then we got the after. That's what's up, buddy? See you too. I know. I brought my Mustang for once. Yeah, last car meet I was at, I got off work. I didn't bother bringing the Mustang. I just took my truck. Everyone's like, "Where's the Mustang? Do you still own a Mustang?" Yeah, still got it. This car's been 10 seconds, by the way.
Maybe I should have left my deposit instead of painting it back.
It'd be a unique contrast.
It's the problem in Florida when I'm like, I want to video inside the car. You can't.
And they got tint for days.
Everybody's got tint. Everyone asks me on my car, like,
oh,
is that loser? I feel bad for any of the neighbors around here.
I just made my Mustang my own.
Yeah, you said it's catalyst long tube with an X pipe.
That's what it sounds like. I want catless long tubes pretty badly.
That's kind of what I'm thinking about doing, like with the the Texas speed headers, just because of the price.
Yeah, they're not bad. It's like 700, full stainless steel. I love the way this car sounds. He's got an H pipe, I think. You still got the H pipe, right? Yeah, that sounds really good.
Yeah, I've never too many 5.0s with the H pipe.
No, everybody does X pipe. I did an X pipe. All right, getting plenty of cars in here. Yeah, once again, I believe this one has actually been on this channel before. They got the RTR up front. Got all these cars. I don't want to get in your video picture here. I love this because it's like the Hearst tribute.
Yeah, that's what it is.
Yeah, Hearst and Hertz, a little bit of both.
Yeah.
I really.
People say, well, Well, there was Hertz shifter. Yeah, there was Hertz too. Well,
Yeah, kind of both of them. I love it.
That's what it is.
I like it's old school looking.
And that's why I went with the
Pretty
old
cool.
school.
We got some more people coming in here.
Wow.
There's always the ones you can hear.
Well, you can always hear that. This is the only one you can't hear.
Well, even that one you can hear a little bit that sounds.
I like the grammar blue.
That's a cool color. I kind of wish they would have kept it. And it never shows up right on camera. It always looks real light blue. It's really more of a deep blue than it looks like.
I know all these people. They all got work done here.
Okay, because I'm probably the only one who hasn't then.
But I've seen most of these cars in and out of here. This burgundy, I've never seen it.
Yeah, that's a fairly new color, and that looks like a fairly new car. Yeah, eventually I do want to get a lot of work done, but the problem is it's expensive, and I just don't have a lot of the money right now. No, that's the thing about a Mustang, and that's what a lot of people will say. Oh,
but
they're
you
so
don't
common.
see this configuration.
No,
On cars.
they're customizable.
My brother says, let's do it and make it yours.
Yeah, that's the thing about the Mustang. They're common, but everybody
can make a change. They all look alike, some of them, but there's always something.
Yeah, you can make it yours.
You gotta make it yours, and this is mine.
Yeah, like you got Tim with the carbon.
See, I got the roll bar in here.
I was gonna say
bar.
it's warm enough. Put the top down, man. You should.
Yeah.
It's warm.
Yeah, well, maybe it'll go down once I get to it.
Yeah, hopefully. Because you got Tim with the big hood everyone talks about.
Yeah, well, see, that's yeah. Everybody got their own little niche.
You got kind of the retro, and that's the modern.
Well, see,
you got both.
I wanted to wear retro because I had one.
Right.
See the Mustang on the cat?
Yeah, I love those. See, the only thing is I don't want to add more ponies to the car. It's already got a whole bunch.
Yeah, but I'm taking off my ponies.
Yeah, you do the opposite. What I really love about it is like it's not over logoed. I got the one on the grill, one on each wheel. There's a hidden one on the 18 headlights. You kind of got to look for.
But you know, it's a pony car.
Yeah. Like some of them, they put so many logos nowadays. Like if you get a BMW M car,
we used to strip all the logos off the cars back in the old days, like my '55 Chevy. It was called decking or something they used to call it, and it was remove all the badges from the car.
Yeah.
You know.
Or my other favorite thing about the Mustangs, if you actually look at the 18 Mustang, actually I think even 15 and up, it's the same thing. If they don't say Mustang anywhere on them, that's when a car has become so iconic. They don't actually have to put what kind of car it is.
You don't have to put it.
Everybody knows what it is.
It don't look like a Camaro.
Right.
It looks like a Mustang.
Yeah.
So we're gonna take the Suncoast up. Obviously, we're not gonna speed or do anything stupid, so we can all stick together. And then when we get to the Suncoast, which is just down 52, and you turn right, we'll all pull off on the side and wait for everyone, just to make sure that way if someone gets caught at a light on 52.
Yeah.
And then it's pretty much a straight shot on the Suncoast to I-4, and then we get off on I-4, and it's right there. So, thanks all for coming. Let's be safe and not drive like schmucks, I guess.
Yeah, there's a state trooper on 52.
Yeah.
He got word that there's a bunch of Mustangs coming. He's waiting, so.
Yeah, he's sitting.
So you mean don't do burnouts at every red light, just every other?
Yeah.
Just
It's not his.
not avoid that red light, and we're good.
Like the big wooded area, you see the road sloping down. Don't do it there because he's sitting on the slope where you can see in front of him.
All right, this is it. It's a little bit of a convoy here, so everybody's getting ready to go. I don't want to do too much filming and driving, so if anything exciting happens, I definitely want to get some shots of the convoy. This is fun, man. It's about an hour drive down there. We got we just pulled through a Hyundai dealer. There's salesmen out there all trying to sell Hyundais. Here comes a boatload of Mustangs. It's like, yeah, y'all are making the wrong decision buying a Hyundai. You should buy a Mustang. We do things like this. I'm sorry, they don't have a mega Hyundai meet, so yeah, I do see a whole bunch of them up in the distance. Yeah, I kind of feel bad because we're still blocking traffic. A couple times, and I'm like, yeah, we're probably blocking some traffic. We're probably pissing some people off, but all in all, that was actually pretty amazing. Got a Harley dealer over here. It's actually kind of cool looking. So yeah, so if you're into Harleys, this is, I guess, the place to come. I hear more of them over there. I don't know if GoPro picked that up. Yeah, I believe we are here, so. Guarantee you the GoPro's not gonna do that justice. That's how loud some of these cars really are. Alright, we made it, and believe me, they were not lying when they said mega beat. Yeah, we're way in the back, so I guess if you really want a good spot, you had to get here early, not to a convoy, but it just keeps going, like, oh, man, it's gonna be amazing now. Oh well. GoPro looks like the battery is not necessarily dying, but it is getting towards the end. I'm about to switch to the Canon and start getting some real good pictures and video. Sound good? All these sounds. See, that's the advantage of all the Mustangs in a convoy. I can tell when everyone's speeding up, you hear it. And it's like, okay, there's at least a couple cars that brakes are squeaking. So I hear it when we're slowing down. It's like, yep, hear the squeak, stopping. Hear the acceleration, we're going.
I hit my radio off just so I can hear the exhaust when it starts to go.
Yeah, because you hear all the stuff got bugs around here. I know. I mean, we're not lying with mega meat. And I got this one SN97 over here, or S197, whatever the name of it is again. Selena. It's a good looking car, but man, it's S550 only.
I love that rear end. That's like my favorite.
Oh no, that. It's period correct. That's like, of that era, that looks really good, and there was a Termi in there. We have to check that one out. Oh. God, it's like, they were not kidding. They really were not kidding with mega meat. I had no doubt it was going to be big, but it's big. Car alarm's going off. This Lexus. There were a couple people I saw like going, I'm like, they're probably like, what the fuck? All these Mustangs.
That Caravan was kind of fun, right?
It was fun. Like I've never done that before, so I'm actually really excited to do that.
Especially with that many people.
Oh, it was amazing. I got a sun pass. Got a sun pass just for this, so I probably spent like $10. I think I'm gonna go ahead and switch to my good camera because this one battery does not last for crap. I tried to do some stuff while driving, seeing what we can do.
I saw, dude, what was that shit? You hit something. It was
no
some
idea.
big white thing. Yeah. And then it hit my tire.
Did it? Because I heard something, like something hit, a couple things hit my windshield. I'm like, somebody ran something over. I don't know. So, I don't know if it's from my car or someone else's car. I'm looking around.
Oh, I don't know what it was, but I know it hit me pretty good. Yeah, it was white, like a big white thing.
I don't know. I didn't see anything on my car, so just dirt. It was there. I don't know. Okay, switch to the good camera now.
Those lights always go on. What did we learn?
already left. I know I got my hat backwards, but I was taking pictures at the same time as trying to use the camera, so hat forward doesn't really work. I usually never wear hats backwards. This is a little weird for me. But about to head out. We're about to head over to sort of the after party over at Wing House. I'm probably not going to stay too long because sooner or later I'm going to go see the girlfriend. And to be honest, so she gets off work. Mero trying to flex on everybody. Sounds like a V6. There they all go. Yep. See. Oh, that glorious 5.0 sound, but really don't need sunglasses, but so I'm gonna get lost. I feel like a complete tool with my hat backwards. Yeah, as you can see, this meet was pretty big. Some of us had to park way out here, but oh well. It's exciting though, talking to a lot of Mustang people. We all have something in common for once. You know, sometimes that's nice to do that. Go to an all Mustang meet. That's something we just never do. I've never actually done that before, and I definitely will be doing it again. Oh, I gotta put this camera up. Anyway, let me know in the comments section below what you think about this video. How many of you enjoyed the convoy? Because that was definitely the best part of today. Not necessarily the show. Not that it was a bad show, but that was much more fun than I think actually being at the show. But if you like this video, go ahead and leave a thumbs up. Let me know in the comments section below what you think. Anyway, subscribe if you haven't already. Take care. Have a good day.